Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing wash day with some new products from PrettiPhizziez. Stay tuned. So I'm starting my wash day with the Strawberry Mint Cleansing Shampoo. This is my first time using this shampoo, and you can tell by the look on my face, I am already very satisfied. Now, I have been using PrettiPhizziez products since the brand first launched, and I am absolutely in love with the brand owner, the products. They're amazing. I will leave all the information for these products in the description box. So this shampoo has some amazing ingredients such as aloe vera juice, tea tree oil and peppermint oil, watermelon seed oil, chamomile, and the first ingredient is water. The directions for the shampoo is to apply to damp or dry hair from root to tip while massaging the scalp for added penetration and to loosen product buildup. So I'm going in with my shampoo brush to do just that. I'm definitely loving all of this lather that the shampoo is giving me, and the tea tree oil can definitely be felt on my scalp. This shampoo was moisturizing and definitely did a good job of cleansing my scalp and hair. Next up, I'm going in with the pineapple hair mask, and this is another new product from this brand that I'm trying out, and let me just tell you that it smells amazing. Now, the avocado hair mask is definitely my favorite mask from this brand, but this pineapple hair mask is definitely bomb too. Aloe vera juice is the first ingredient in this hair mask. It also includes water, watermelon seed oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, and a blend of mango and cucumber butter. So in addition to the amazing smell, this mask had a nice amount of slip, and it definitely left my hair very moisturized. So I deep condition in small sections. I applied the mask, I detangled with my fingers, and then I went in with my coil brush and further detangled. And then I'm going to twist each section up. I'll put on my plastic bag and then sit under my steamer for about 20 minutes. So I'm just going to repeat these same steps throughout the rest of my hair. So I deep condition every wash day, which is once a week, and I alternate between using my steamer and a hooded dryer for some extra penetration of the products because I do have low porosity hair. Some benefits of deep conditioning are that it nourishes the hair, moisturizes the hair, prevents damage, and it also promotes elasticity. Let me know in the comments how often you deep condition and whether you use heat with your deep conditioner or not. Also, let me know in the comments if you are team shampoo or team co-wash. I happen to like shampooing, so I do shampoo my hair weekly, but if I do happen to wash in between wash days, I will use a co-wash. So here are the results of my wash day using my PrettiPhizziez products. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I will see you in my next video.